Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful Colors Full Monte, Bundle Monster BM-XL08, SheModern Metallic Gold Sticky Polish, and Moyra Gold Nail Foils number 5. I've already got on Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Sinful Colors Full Monte. I love this one. It's got that crystal shimmer look to it, and when it's mattified it looks really stunning. I should have finished the manicure in the matte form, but I didn't. I know. I'm spoiling it for you. What? Okay. Getting that first coat on. Very nice. And here we go with the second coat of the Full Monte. Get that on the nails. Even though they're short, they still need love, right? Yes, ma'am. We're going to top it with some Out the Door from I&M. This is my thinner quick dry top coat. It is a glossy top coat. I get mine off of Amazon now, but you can also find it at Sally's and probably other places too, but I don't go anywhere, so I don't know where all you could find it. I do love it though. Hi Woody, how you doing? Alright, there is a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be using the Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper Matte Top Coat to mattify these. You know, when you're playing with foils, you really do better if you use the matte top coats. They seem to work better. I mean, for getting them applied. Ooh, isn't that pretty? I like it mattified. Bundle Monster BM-XL08. I'm going to use that like cheetah or leopard print. And I'll be using the Metallic Gold Stamping Polish Sticky from SheModern, my cube stamper and scraper, and the Moyra number 5 Easy Transfer Foils in gold. Hello. Now, in the end, this is one of those delicate manicures, you know, the ones you gotta look for the design. It's not the pop off the nail kind of thing like I normally do, but it was still okay. Not my favorite. You guys know I like that bam in your face stuff, but occasionally, you know, I try things like this, and then I realize what my true loves are. I like that bright splashy stuff. So but anyway, we're doing it. And you could totally do this in whatever colors you like. I mean, for real. You don't have to copy mine's. You can do whatever you want, because it's nail polish and there's too many options. So we're just bebopping along. I'm putting this image on all of the nails, because, you know, since they're all short, I need to show them all some serious love so that maybe they'll grow. You know, talk to them, water them, you know, give them sunshine, all the good things. So, cleaning that plate with some acetone. I cleaned my stamper off with a lint roller. I don't know if I've shown that in this video or if I don't show it at all, but that's how I clean it. You can clean it with tape or lint roller or sticky pad or whatever you got going on. And the reason I'm able to do this with the stamping and then applying the foils is I'm using the SheModern sticky stamping polish. It stays sticky much longer than like a regular stamping polish. This feat is almost impossible with using regular nail polish. I tried it. I've done it. It's you've got to be super fast. So I'm starting off by just kind of tapping it in, and it is transferring, but since I used gold stamping polish and gold foils, you might not be able to see it as well on film, on camera, on digital, whatever you want to call it. Trying to rub it in real well, but in real life I really could see it. Breaking out my silicone tool and jumping on that struggle bus with it, because you guys know I gotta make it look hard so that you don't want to try this, but try it. It's not the end of the world. The reason I used gold on gold is because that way if the foil didn't transfer really well, it's still gold and it wasn't going to be as noticeable. It's just a trick I learned forever ago, you know, from other nail art creators here on YouTube. So now I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess up off of my skin to the best of my abilities. Probably wasting way more of your time doing this than I should, but we left it in because it's the real deal. Yeah. This is almost a real-time video. This was not a long, drawn-out video. It was fairly fast in between drying, you know. Get some of this up off that skin so that I don't have to use as much acetone, because even though my nails are having trouble, my cuticles are actually doing pretty good. I mean, if I put acetone on them, they look dry, but they're doing pretty good. We're going to use the SheModern Clear Matte. This is the sealer, and I love it because it goes matte. I'm using this because I'm going over foils, and once it's totally dry, I'm going in with I&M out the door as my final top coat, because the SheModern one would wash off, so you got to seal it in with another top coat, a real top coat. Here is the final manicure. I do hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.